Today I show you a IKEA charger for batteries, for the Lada batteries. And this is the Tsjugo. That's the Tsjugo charger, and I'm not really a big fan of this charger. There is a better one, the black one that you see there on the shelf next to it, but I'm showing you now how this one works. And that's the information on the package of this Tsjugo charger, and it's like a book, looks like a book kind of. There are also the simplest one that you plug into the PowerPoint and the one with the storage included. This one has the same price as the black one, the Litosfar. This Tsjugo, it's very hard to pronounce these names. And the charger here, it's a standard power connection for small appliances. It's very easy to replace this in case the cord is damaged. And some information for the product is written on it there. You might see the charging speeds, but the charging speed for nickel metal hydride AA and AAA batteries is going to be more or less the same, between 220 and 240 milliampere hours for the AA batteries, and even less for the AAA batteries. This is how these batteries are supposed to be charged. You can't make them faster like the lithium batteries. But there are many devices, many appliances that still need the AA and AAA batteries, and using the rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries is much better than using single-use batteries. And this is where I tried the Tsjugo with the Lada batteries, AA 2450 milliampere hours. And you see there is only one light, and now there is even a red light blinking there. So it detected one of the batteries is bad, but also the charger is not great, because being only one light, to me it looks like there is only one charging circuit. I'm not sure, maybe it's not, maybe it's one light for simplicity, so it's easy to read it. But yeah, that's the bad battery there. You will not know which battery is the bad one, because you don't have a light for each battery slot. This is one of the negatives of this charger. But in this charger, actually it didn't show immediately, but I tell you, it did eventually show a red light on this Litosfar also. Litosfar. So one of the batteries had a bit of a problem. If you have a battery like that, you could simply wait a bit, move it to another slot and try again later. If after multiple tries, after multiple attempts to recharge the battery, if it still shows that it's bad, then you might have to replace that battery. And don't throw it away in the bin. There are e-waste bins, you can throw the batteries there. Like this, I can check which is the bad battery from this batch. So this is the Tsjugo charger. It looks nice, like a little book. I have the older charger before these chargers were made, and that one is really big and bulky. But it also charges 12 batteries. These ones are charging 8 batteries at once. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.